Sunrise, birds sing, a gentle breeze whispers. Life on Earth goes on, oblivious to the forces at play. Our planet, a blue marvel in the vastness of space, spins. It always has, at a speed we rarely consider. This rotation, a fundamental aspect of our existence, dictates day and night, drives our weather patterns, and influences the very air we breathe. Gravity, the invisible hand, keeps us grounded. Yet we are in constant motion, whirling through space at thousands of miles per hour. This delicate balance, a symphony of cosmic forces, sustains life as we know it. But what if this balance were to break? Imagine just for a moment that the Earth suddenly stopped spinning. The transition would be anything but peaceful. It would be sudden, violent, and catastrophic. The very ground beneath our feet would shift. Oceans would rise in monstrous tsunamis, engulfing entire continents. The atmosphere, no longer dragged along by the Earth's rotation, would continue its eastward movement. Winds of unimaginable fury, superstorms beyond any recorded in history, would rage across the globe. The laws of physics are unforgiving. Inertia, the tendency of an object to resist changes in its motion, would become horrifyingly apparent. Anything not firmly anchored to the ground, including people, buildings, and even entire forests, would be flung eastward. Massive firestorms, ignited by the unimaginable friction and destruction, would rage across the planet. The skies would turn a sickly yellow, choked with ash and debris. In the aftermath, a new Earth would emerge. One side would face the sun in a perpetual day, scorching under its relentless glare. The other side would be shrouded in an eternal night, its temperatures plummeting to unimaginable lows. The magnetic field, generated by Earth's rotation, would collapse. The protective shield that guards us from harmful solar radiation would be gone. Life as we know it, adapted to the rhythm of day and night, would face an unprecedented challenge. Yet, even in the face of such devastation, life might find a way. Perhaps new species would evolve, adapted to the extreme conditions of a still Earth. Perhaps humans, with our ingenuity and resilience, could find a way to survive. The question is, could we learn from such a cataclysmic event? Could we use this knowledge to protect our planet, our spinning, life-giving home, before such a disaster could ever come to pass?